Hey guys, this is Nate Charles. This is an ad hoc edition of the Rule of Law Brief. I'm not posting regular videos right now because I'm on vacation with my children, but I wanted to take a few minutes today just to talk about the fact that Marco Rubio has recently announced that the Trump administration is now trying to actively dismantle the International Criminal Court. Now, I've posted several videos about the International Criminal Court in the past. I've even posted some videos about the tenuous relationship that the United States has with the International Criminal Court. And the upshot of those videos is that although the United States has been sort of the superintendent of international law for the last 70 or 80 years, the United States has never fully bought onto the Rome Statute, which created the International Criminal Court, and actively refuses to permit U.S. nationals to be prosecuted by the International Criminal Court. So that has been the state of play for decades. But just recently, Trump administration started going a step further and actively sanctioning the International Criminal Court. I mean, including by freezing the bank accounts of International Criminal Court judges and prosecutors. Just within the last day or two, they've actually taken it even a step further than that. Marco Rubio has come out and said that the United States plans to affirmatively dismantle the International Criminal Court. Now, that raises an obvious question. If the International Criminal Court has existed for decades and the United States has never fully bought into it, why not just continue to leave it alone the way that we have over the last few years? Because actually, the International Criminal Court serves a lot of interests of the United States. There is one answer and one answer only. It is because the International Criminal Court is the one body on the face of the planet that still has the authority to hold Donald Trump and members of the Trump administration accountable under the law. Again, I've published videos in the past talking about the fact that Donald Trump plans to pardon himself and pardon everyone around him on his way out of the White House. That is well established, and he will do it. Moreover, while Donald Trump can theoretically be held accountable for his actions using the impeachment process, we have seen in recent decades how the impeachment process is very, very flawed. As a practical matter, impeachment is unlikely to work against any president. In our 250-year history, we've literally never impeached and removed a president of the United States. And while impeachment is supposed to be handled according to detached and neutral standards of conduct, it isn't. As a practical matter, impeachment is entirely a political process, not a legal process the way it was designed to be under the Constitution. That leaves the International Criminal Court. They are the only body left that can hold these people accountable. The Trump administration is aware that if they are voted out of power, which seems likely to happen at this point, they have the constitutional authority and the ability to protect themselves under U.S. law. The only legal process left anywhere in the world that they have no control over is the International Criminal Court. And that is why they're trying to dismantle it right now. Donald Trump, Pete Hegseth, J.D. Vance, Marco Rubio have all committed war crimes at this point. This isn't even close. They have committed straight up war crimes. Exactly the types of offenses that the International Criminal Court is responsible for prosecuting. And that is why they are currently going after the ICC. It is the only reason. I'm likely to have a couple of written pieces for you over the next couple of weeks, but as I said, I am on vacation with my children and I am going to be traveling. This is a very important time for me and my kids, but I will definitely have analysis for you as these events unfold once my vacation is over, and I will jump on the horn kind of like I am right now if there are events that are serious enough, like I regard this one to be, that require analysis.